We have no idea how this stuff goes back on this truck.
What's up, jammers? Welcome back to episode...
We either have no idea what it is.
Yeah.
We think it's 9.
We kind of forgot what episode it is, just like we forgot how that goes back in that.
We have no idea how this stuff goes back on this truck. This is going to be really interesting. If we don't have bolts left over when we're done, I will be shocked.
We will have bolts left over.
There's going to be all kinds of bolts left over.
And this week, we're going to unbox our new headlights.
Yeah.
Let's get after it.
So hood hinges.
Yeah. Always a party.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's like an infinite way of adjusting them, right? If you go,
Yes.
well, a little movement on that end, there's a lot of movement on the end.
Yep. So we are certain that our problem lies with these hinges with our hood. One, you can see the gap that is betwixt that, and there's no gap betwixt that.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, you can really see it.
And then you see how that one opens up? That one has to really be slammed. There's this one. So definitely needed a set of hood hinges. We're gonna put our fender on.
So Ryan just pulled this bag out of the box. So if you can see it,
What core support.
Core support.
Yep, the core support's installed.
It's already installed.
I told you, like that. Our subscriber told us. He said they always put extra ones in there just in case.
This is the extra bag.
Just in case. What do you think, Jason?
It's coming along. I think it looks really great.
It looks amazing.
And it is. It does look amazing. So, I like the green.
I love the hunter green. It really brings out your eyes. All right.
The moment you've all been waiting for, or
All by, you mean me?
pretty much Ryan.
All right, and like we always tell you guys on the YouTube channel, always cut towards yourself.
Towards your leg.
Always.
It's pink. It's your favorite color, Ryan.
It's pink. My favorite color. Pink is the color of passion.
Ooh.
that? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it?
It looks great.
Look at it.
I'm looking at it, Ryan.
Would you just look at it?
Ryan, I'm looking at it.
It's gonna be slick as snot.
Hopefully it lights up. I guess there's a little bit of prep work to do on this new headlight before it goes on. What sort of things you got happening?
Well, so we want this ballast, remember, like on a submarine?
Oh yeah, that was something I said. That was really dumb, but go ahead.
I said.
I thought I said.
No, I did it.
Oh,
So what does the ballast
I'm sorry.
do when I said?
I'm sorry, that was a previous episode, and that was a really smart thing that you said.
I mean, basically.
Takes a little vision to see a truck in the condition this was in, and then now to see it.
You know, I always think that's funny because I always tell people I don't have vision, like I don't have the ability to see. But when it comes to automobiles, like I got like 20/20 vision.
Are you ready?
Let's see them, Jay. Oh, snap. We got a little Popeye over here. This guy here, he won't turn on. But that makes sense because he was the side that got hit, but...
Yeah, so we just need to change out that bulb on that side, right?
Yeah, we just need new...
Let's see what else we got. Spark lights?
Oh, that's so cool, dude.
Yeah.
Check them out, fans. What do y'all think? Coming?
Yeah, I get a sense that you're mocking me in some reason. I don't even... What are you, a cheerleader? What are you doing?
Knife hand. All right, jammers, welcome back. We got the truck back together, looking sharp.
Man, we're pumped. Super pumped. We knew this would be like a visual progress week, right?
This was a huge week for us.
It was great.
Yeah.
And we appreciate you guys.
And we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!